Hi there. Nice to meet you. Today, I'm going to show you my family tree. This is me. I'm 8 years old. I'm a boy. This is my sister.
Hi.
She's 6 years old. She's my younger sister. This is my brother. He's 10 years old.
Hello.
He's my older brother. They are my siblings. This is my father. I also call him Dad. This is my mother. I also call her Mom. They are my parents. This is my grandfather. I also call him Grandpa. This is my grandmother. I also call her Grandma. They are my grandparents. This is my aunt. This is my uncle. Their children are my cousins.
Hello.
This is my family.
This is my family.
Let's play a little game. Who is he? He is my father. Who is she? She is my sister. Who are they? They are my cousins. Who is she? She is my aunt. Who is he? He is my brother. Who are they? They are my parents. Who is he? He is my grandfather. Who are they? They are my siblings. Here are my family members' names. Robert is my father. Sandra is Jane's mother. George is Amber's grandpa. Julia is Bill's aunt. Who is Marcus's grandma? Anita is Marcus's grandma. Who is Jane's uncle? Robert is Jane's uncle. Who is my cousin? Bill is my cousin. You did it! You've explored your family roots and completed the quiz. Give yourself a high five! Don't forget to share this video with your family and maybe even discover a new story together. If you loved learning about your family tree, like and subscribe to BrainSnax for more fun adventures. Until next time, keep growing your family tree, and remember, every branch is a story waiting to be told. Bye-bye. See you next time.